Are there values or ideas that you would like to pass on to future generations?
Oh, sure. You're trying, or I'm trying. I think all good teachers are trying to I really truly believe that studying literature the right way should make us better people. Now, I've known plenty of English professors who are not better people. I've seen their performances at conferences, and sometimes they do shameful things. But I think that if you study it the right way, that it should make us better people. I get that from the poet that I mentioned before, Philip Sidney, who said that poetry should do two things. It should teach and delight. Well, he got that from the Roman poet Horace. And I think that's true. And I always tell my students on the first day of class, this class should teach and delight. You should learn, but it's important to have a good time while we're learning. But then he says, the ending end of teaching and delighting is being moved to good action, to doing the right thing. That's one of the things we should learn from studying literature. And I really do think that literature has a moral dimension and that we can't ignore that. A good deal of some of the trends or fads in recent literary study ignored that. But I think it's really central. And so, of course, values get promoted in studying the literature. I really think, this may sound like it's overboard, but I really do think that a teacher has a sacred obligation. I think that there's something that you're playing with people's minds. And it's important to do the right thing with them. As you make mistakes sometimes, but that it's really important to deal with each student individually and to get them to see the kinds of things that you're seeing. As I say, I think that you have to study the literature in the right way. You have to see what's really there.